Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to have a quick overview of RouterCAM's 3D visualization feature. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, if we head back in the program here, just a reminder also, this is a mini series on RouterCAM's features, and today we're going to have a quick overview of the 3D visualization option it has, and then we'll also in a future video go into how to actually use it. But yeah, when it comes to the 3D visualization, this is a very handy little feature of the plugin, because what this allows you to do is you can actually preview your cuts and drills and all of that beforehand, before you actually commit your job, which is very handy. I mean, I'm quite impressed that they managed to bring a 3D element into a 2D program, and it is very convenient for this type of workflow. So it supports all the different nodes and path tools, so for laser cutting, drilling, all of that. And also, like I mentioned, it supports nodes, so you can actually enable your nodes. Then you can see exactly what's it gonna do. But let's have a quick setup of this, and then in the next video we'll look at the actual 3D navigation. So what I want to do is I'm going to grab these little circles, and then let's go to toolpaths. I'm just going to leave my workpiece the same. I'm going to put this, wrong button. I'm going to drill these holes, set to the widest diameter I've got there currently. The depth, final depth, I'm just going to go -4 for now, just so you guys can see the result. And I'm going to leave all the rest the same. Click OK. And next thing on the inside here, what I want to do is I'm going to pocket mill this, or mill the inside away. The depth I'm going to keep -2, the rest all the same. Now obviously in a real project you'll probably want to rename your things if the project gets big, so you understand what's happening. And I'm going to grab the edge here, and I'm going to just go somewhere contour cutting for laser plasma water, and same thing, I'm going to leave all these settings the same. So now as you can see here under our toolpath, we've got our 3 different operations set up, and then we can minus out that one. So now in order to actually visualize it here, we're going to first have to create a actual path, or G-code. So I'm not sure if you have to have your thing selected. I normally just select what I want G-coded, but it must probably only G-codes whatever's in this list. So it's just a paranoid habit I have from different programs. So I'm just going to click here G1, G2, and then give it time to process. And then we can see here now on this little 3D visual port, we have a 3D representation. Now under this thing there's a few different options we'll be looking at, but we will leave that for another video. So just a quick summary again, this is a great tool if you want to visualize what's going to happen during the cutting process before you actually commit, so you can see if there's potential problems, maybe your drilling is too deep or something like that, then you can adjust it first and then preview it before you commit. And this is also independent from the actual machine, so the cutting machines, this is something that's just in the plugin, so you don't have to worry about this somehow translating it into your machine as well. But yeah, otherwise, before we get to the next video, if we head to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching. Until next one, cheers.